Westminster, the mother of all parliaments, a powerhouse of the political world, a home of giants, home to some of the greatest politicians the world has ever seen. Any trip to London wouldn't be complete without seeing Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament. But not many people know that you can actually go inside and see the House of Commons and the House of Lords as part of a tour group. And the best part is today we'll be showing you how to get in absolutely free of charge.
As order, since I know what I'm doing.
It is possible to pay and get tickets to go inside as part of a guided tour. But the tickets are quite expensive and usually sold out.
People must observe the rules. No, order! Order!
Anyway, before we show you how to get the free tickets,
I can't believe we're going inside.
let's show you what we can see on the tour. First, you have to go through a number of security checks, including one that's a bit like going through airport security. Then you'll head over to the main entrance at Westminster Hall. Here's where the main entrance is located, and this is what it looks like. And these are the areas you'll go through during the guided tour. Other areas are off limits. First, you'll enter Westminster Hall. Westminster Hall is the oldest building on the parliamentary estate and has been involved in the life of the nation since the 11th century. Westminster Hall is famous for its hammer beam roof and its hand-carved medieval angels. This is also the best place to buy souvenirs when you visit.
And let's get ready for some fanatics, merch, madness!
And there's also a cafe. And it's here where you're going to meet your guide and pick up your headphones. Since the guides aren't allowed to speak loudly, this is how you'll be able to hear them. Your guide will tell you all about Westminster Hall, and then they'll take you on to St. Stephen's Hall, which used to be a royal chapel until it was destroyed by the fire of 1834. You're allowed to take pictures and videos in Westminster Hall and in St. Stephen's Hall. But after this, there's no pictures or videos allowed, especially in the House of Commons and Lords.
You are well-intentioned and principled, but you are overexcitable and you need to contain yourself.
Okay, so how do you get in for free? First, you head to the UK Parliament website and scroll down to this section where you'll have to search for your local MP. Once you've found your local MP, you'll have to send them an email requesting a free tour. Eventually, they should reply, and you'll be able to choose a time and a date for the visit. And you should get a booking confirmation like this one. By the way, you have to be a UK resident to be able to book a free tour. And that's how you get into the Houses of Parliament for free. Please comment below if you have any questions, and like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content.